So here we are with Synex, and I've got Simon. And Simon's going to show us some of these great STEM learning products. What have we got here, Simon?
Alright, thanks Josh. So UB-Tech have a wide range of robotics on the market. They start from your basic entry-level solution right up to the $4,000 plus product.
Right.
And in schools right now, a lot of teachers and educators are looking for ways to find new product to educate their students. And coding is becoming a very big part of our economy. So in 10 years' time, the kids aren't going to be driving the trucks. They're going to be finding ways to optimise routes to code the automatic trucks to drive themselves. And this is where UB-Tech comes into play. So with these bad boys, you can set up a class of 20 or so students and set them into teams to build, code, and then run events with the products and help train them on how the basics of coding work and why it's important. So you step up to one of these units here. The UB-Tech Alpha 1 Pro has a longer battery life and is designed for long-term coding solutions.
So just quickly, is this the one that you were just talking about there?
Yeah, correct. So the bug spots start from 149, go through to 229.
So 149 for this one?
This one, sorry, is 179. Yep.
179. Yep. Right, okay.
So they have a range of models and different sizes you can build, and they're designed so the hands will actually clap together and hold items. And the best way we've done it, we got a bunch of Synex staff together to run a event, and we had a team building group, 130, 40-year-old Synex staff. And we had to build them, code them, and then race them across the room to pick up a Synex business card. It's just, great initiative for our guys. And, it's the Star Wars product, so this actually supports augmented reality. Again, a UB-Tech product, so it's more designed as a more of a gift product around that Christmas period. You can put the headset on, walk around the house as a stormtrooper, attack the cat if you really want to. As well, it will recognise people and you can give it voice commands. So say you're away, you want to check if the kids are in their bedroom, you can, or make sure the babysitter's doing a job, you can walk it into the other room on your phone and see what's going on in the house. It's quite a cool little product.
And what's the retail price point on this one?
This one is $5.99.
$5.99. So for all of that for $5.99.
Indeed.
Unbelievable.
So UB-Tech have another 3 or 4 products in their lineup, not on display today, but come talk to our team and we're giving away catalogues of the full range. Also, there are a bunch of STEAM education programs, tutorials, help that we can assist with not only the students but the teachers in developing this curriculum. And we can put you in touch with the right people inside their business to make sure that you're getting the right information.
So we can get the schools in, we can get the right information through to the schools.
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
So next in our STEM lineup is XYZ's Da Vinci Nano. This is going to be released in June this year, so this is the first prototype in the country. It's going to come out at a $399 price point, which is the cheapest price to my knowledge for retail.
$399.
3D printer. So in 10 years' time, you're going to be walking into Super Cheap or Autobarn, and it's not going to be a big warehouse full of product. There'll be a guy sitting behind a 3D printer going, what can I print you? Yeah, what can I print you today? And then they'll charge a licensing fee for Ford, and that's how the parts of the future will move.
Yes.
So for now, again, it's about getting kids into this space and understanding how the product works, how to design and develop. Great for engineers and architects in the future. As well, instead of at Christmas time, you want to give the kids something, rather than buying them toys, give them this and tell them to make their own. So great
idea.
Again, they have a full library of resources, supports, education available to help students, teachers and the business units in educating them in how this works. The best part is this is the ink of the future.
Filament.
Indeed. It is not only a good margin generator, will keep the customers coming back to your business and available in different colours, but fully environmentally friendly, kids safe and designed just to be easy to use and very simple. Great. Amazon Echo to the leading edge group. Great product that's entered the market in Australia and is picking up a lot of steam. There are 2 major players right now. You've got Amazon and you've got Google.
Yes.
So with Amazon, one of the best little features of this little bad boy here is it's got a 3.5mm jack on the back. So with the Google product, you require a separate device to connect speaker systems, but with this one, you can control existing speaker systems in your house, add it on and make it a smart home product.
Right.
So step up, this bad boy, sorry?
Sorry?
Yep.
No, keep going,
so
keep
stepping
going.
up, you've got the Amazon Echo, which has the bass and the subwoofer, essentially the same device but a more premium sound. Controls all of your smart home devices. So the best part with Google and Amazon is what one does, the other does in terms of connected home. They both work together. They both support the same range. Next step up is the Echo Plus. Now this retails at $229 and comes with a Philips Hue light bulb in the box. So the important part about that is it gives the customer a product to actually plug in their home and see it operating in action. So, hey Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. Once they've got one, they're going to want a dozen more. Just like me, I've got 30 light bulbs all connected. I've got 10 power points connected in my house. I'll then add the Logitech Harmony product to the home as well, so I can control the set-top box, the Xbox, the air conditioners. Suddenly, for under $1,000, you're creating an automated home for someone. And the best part is when they move out, they unplug it, they unscrew it, and they take it with them. So it opens you up to the rental market as well, which is something that is
And that would be a big concern to a lot of renters out in the market that these sorts of devices with home automation, they can't do it. So this allows them now to do it. So that's great.
That's great. Your average home automation system that's wired in starts at $20,000 to $25,000 and requires the electricians and has no play for the leading edge computers methods. Unless your guys are electricians, you can't support it. With these, the best part is once you've finished with the process, you've sold them all their devices, you then send a tech out on site to help them install and create their routines and customs. So, right, what do you want to happen when you wake up in the morning? Do you want the lights to turn on? Do you want the mail to be read to you? Do you want the news on? Do you want to turn the kettle on? Then after they put all these products, they're going to need a mesh solution as well.
Yeah, sure.
Because the average modem that is sold in the home from your Telscas or your local ISP is the entry-level model, which when you're looking at 30 to 50 devices, won't work. So a mesh solution adds another great margin opportunity and another product for you to set up in the home.
Yeah, we don't know specific prices, but everything's pretty much
So run off on the Steam product in a moment when you're ready.
Sure.